About damn time, Caesar.
Don't be recording, brother.
I got Caesar here, say what's up. He's gonna be helping me out with the is300. I am gonna be rolling the all 4 fenders. What's this called? I think it's called a tortilla.
A masa roller.
It's called a masa roller. So get it from your mama without telling her. I couldn't find any rollers at the hardware store. They're typically about 50 or 60 bucks.
Flower roller, I guess.
Yeah, but there's an actual tool for this, but it's like it wouldn't come on time because I couldn't order it on Monday, so it was gonna get here till next week. So I think I might be the first ever to try it with this. It's been done with like a baseball bat, but I don't think it's ever been tried. But you see how it's got this level? So we have to like keep like rolling it like on one side. Like you don't want to keep it on one side. You want to keep it on the outside. And then while I roll it, you have to use a jack. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna leverage it with the masa roller. Like, oh man, you're gonna lever it like this. And then I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna be applying, but first I gotta heat it up because I don't have a heat gun. So I'm gonna use my mini torch. What's so funny? Dude, this is serious. This is science right here. We're gonna use the heat from the torch. I'll do the inside. I'll do the inside while Caesar does the outside. For the paint, he's gonna be protecting the paint and I'm gonna be heating up the metal lip. That way I could bend it with the roller. And then I already tried the other side, so let's just do it. Let's go for it, Caesar. Because over here it's just plastic, so we have to be rolled from just this edge. This is where the lip starts, all the way to the end over there. And then right now I already rolled a few passes. We're using the heat gun obviously because we don't want it to paint, we don't want it to crack the paint. And then I'm just gonna drop it lower. See that? That's gonna allow me to apply more pressure with the tire. Bro, I gotta roast you, Caesar. I told Caesar to apply some heat, which he didn't. And that's what happens, guys, when you don't apply heat. It chips the paint off. Well, Caesar, what do you have to say about that?
I'm eating.
What are you eating?
Pistachios.
Get those pistachios out of here, bro. This is why you should roll your fenders if you drop your car, especially with spacers. I don't know if you guys could tell, but pretty much that piece of tire is already coming out. Oh, here it is. It's even worse over there. We are finally finished rolling the fenders. Now, I have no idea if this is gonna work or not because Brother Caesar and I mean, there's some weight up here, you know? There's some weight here.
There you go, bullying me again.
So I'm just saying, like, we don't know how this is gonna scrape or not, but we're gonna find out. Alright guys, so unfortunately it does seem like it's still scraping. My car might just be too low. What do you think, Caesar? Can you hear a little bit when it's like on the side?
Just in the beginning it sounded like it was scraping. But yeah, you might be
right there. I hear it on that side. Yeah, I hear it. I hear it.
Your car's too low.
It's just way too low. We're gonna get something to drink because Caesar is Oh, you guys hear that? That was bad. Oh. Unfortunately, the car is still scraping, which I was afraid of. Caesar was right. I have to pick up the what?
My key.
What was I saying? Yeah, I can't
Bro.
I don't know. I guess I'm gonna have to pick up the car a little bit. But even though,
seriously, bro, my car keys.
What about your car keys? Even though as you guys could see, it's hard to show because of the light.
Left it over there.
Please don't tell me you left your keys over there at the store. they're gone now.
Oh, bro.
You left them at the store? Hey, get out of there. Get out of there. Dude, the cats can't be inside there. Oh yeah, we're gonna go to the store right now. But this fender, even though I completely...
Oh, it's in here.
Oh, you found it? Well...
It's here, never mind.
Wow, Caesar. So even though that lip is completely bent in there, it's still scraping.
I was scared, bro.
So I think my main option, huh? Oh, it's that time when we smashed on it, huh?
Yeah.
So I guess what I'm gonna have to do, maybe in another week or two, I'm gonna have to go with maybe 10 or 15 millimeter spacers, because these 20 are just too aggressive and they're just scraping. But anyways, guys, that is how you roll your fenders. Oh, one thing, don't try it with the mini torch.
No,
better do it with the heat gun. I went to the store.
Nor with this.
Like I was saying, don't use a mini torch unless you really have to. It'll be better to use a heat gun. And it just took too long to do it with this masa roller, tortilla roller. Just go ahead and spend the $50, $60 and get yourself an actual fender roller and do it the right way. But it can be done. It just takes way too long, especially when you have somebody that is over here throwing gang signs.
No, no, just do a peace sign.
Oh, okay. But anyways, guys, take care. See yourself on the next video. Thanks, Caesar, for helping out today. And that's about it. Lesson learned.
Lift your car.
Don't drop your car this low. You're in your what?
And we're out.